What's up, guys? So I'm at Toyota getting the regularly scheduled maintenance done on the Tacoma, as well as hopefully fixing the messed up sprayer that's there. But anyway, this video is about this Tacoma. So here's a new Tacoma, right? A 24. You can tell by the little duck bill on the back there. This happens to be a sport, TRD Sport, in a bright orange color. Good looking truck, I guess. I mean, I like the color. It's it's nice. I'm not a huge fan of the new truck, not really because of the design. I think the design is very rugged and I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest. For me, it's not only the price for a lot of people, it's just way expensive. The third gens were way expensive, so I mean, how many times can you keep jacking up the price and just accept it? But hey, there's people with money and they do sell, people buy them. So if you're enjoying your vehicle, that's all that matters. But I do like the aggressive look of it. It's not just the price, even if I can afford it. I'm just not a fan of a turbo 4-cylinder. That's it. They're a little spunkier, they're faster, they're, I'm sure, more fun to drive. I can almost guarantee that. It's just, I can't get over the longevity of it. If I knew I was only gonna keep it for a couple years, yeah, I'd probably get one. But I'm trying to keep this truck for as long as I possibly can. So anyway, but that's not really even the point of the video. I'm just rambling. The point is these rims. What is up with this? I've never seen this before. It looks like a fully enclosed rim. It has a clear front. I have to assume it's plastic. So you can see the brakes and everything. I don't know what this is. Was that because it was just transported? Are these not for sale yet? I don't know. That white one back there has it too. I've never seen this before. So I'm curious if anyone out there works at dealerships or you just happen to know what this is. What is it? Because my first thought was, oh, that's awesome. This way you're not going to get anything from the road in there, road dirt, all that kind of stuff on your brakes. It's going to keep it clean. For the most part, obviously, you can get it from the inside. But then I thought, like, wait a minute, what about brake dust? Is that going to have a problem with the brake dust building up and stuff? Because usually it just kind of flies all over the place when you're driving. So I don't know. I don't know what this is. Is this for driving around? Are these the new rims? I mean, is this just something temporary? You guys let me know. I was super curious about it though, because it just never saw that. So anyway, it's getting closer to my appointment, so I'm gonna go in. Wish me luck. Hopefully they fix this stupid sprayer nozzle. I think this is the third time they're trying it, so we'll see what happens. But let me know what the deal is with these rims. Super curious. Anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.